So while I'm sitting here casting, ooh, that was a bite. While I'm sitting here casting, I'm gonna tell you guys a story about what happened to me hunting this morning. Go back out there and see if he's back there. So I'm in the deer stand, and it faces from, it's in the corner of a field. We'll call it the bottom left corner of the field, right? And I hear a noise come from behind me and to my right, so away from the opening in the field, and I go to look. I don't see anything, and I turn back, and there's about 6 doe hightailing it from left to right across the open field. None of them stop, and they just keep moving. I'm like, well, crap, I missed an opportunity there. And I wait, and about 20-30 minutes later, those doe come back and just kind of ease on back, though. They're not running this time. They're just kind of walking right up back to the tree line on that right side across the field from me. I'm like, all right, this is good. This is real good, because there's about 6 doe, so there's bound to be a buck following. Sure enough, in the back, there was a, I don't know exactly how many points he was, but his spread was huge. Just chilling there, moseying on up behind him. He comes out into the field. I give him a little to make him stop. He stops, take aim, and I fire, and I friggin' pull it. Pull it and I shoot high. And let that be a lesson. If it's, there we go. If it's cold, that's a good fish. Come here. If it's cold, wear gloves, because I didn't. And take your time when you're shooting. Take a deep breath out. Wow, you're stuck in there really good, aren't you? Let me get my pliers for you, buddy. Nice solid little fish. They're really, really loving this swim bait that I've been using here, man. Take it easy, buddy. Anyway, I missed. Moral of the story, don't miss. You put up literally no fight. You like ate it and you're like, I'm good. All right. That's better. Little guy. Well, since I switched off of the bigger bait, I'm gonna get a lot of littler guys, I think, right now. But that's fine. They're fun. Except for this guy, he just kind of, he ate it and just kind of dead dogged it, man. Just kind of chilled there. He kind of played dead, like, all right, maybe if I don't move, he'll think he's stuck on the ground and he'll cut me off. I'm gonna go back to the swim bait just for this quick tour along the shore, and then I'll switch back. I'm gonna switch to a jig in the middle. Ooh, ooh. Oh, come here. That is, whew, that's what I wanted right there. He missed it and it actually hooked him on the gill. Oh, you're a big boy, huh? That's what I was waiting to catch. Let's get our official weight. He's got to be over 3. Not quite, actually. Smaller than I thought. You're smaller than the guy I caught the other day. You said 2.57. You look a lot bigger than 2.57. I'm going to tell you that right now. You look big for your size. Hope your eye's okay. I think I missed your eyeball. Anyway, buddy, have a safe journey, and I will be back next time. Oh, damn. My rod ended up in the water. I am, not exactly sure how that happened. Oh, you're another good one. Look at that. You're another 2-pounder-ish. Hey, you're at a long, skinny 2 pounds. You're right at 2. That's my guess. I don't know why I weigh every one of them. It's just fun. Eh, 174. 1 3/4. All right, bud. Have a safe journey again, and I will see you next time. They friggin' love this bait, man.